Hello, welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The 25th staging of the highly anticipated Rebel Salute Music Festival approaches under the theme The Preservation of Reggae. Tony Rebel partnered with the Organic Heart group of companies to develop the event into much more than a reggae music event. Artists already booked to take the stage at Grizzly's Plantation Cove in Ocho Rios this weekend include Nigerian music star Pato Rankin, Bobby Wine, Michael Rose, The Wailers, Wayne Marshall, and also featured is Tony Rebel's daughter Daviana, who had to prove herself in order to be included in the lineup.
It's not because it's my father's show on it. I don't think that, at least, because I had to work hard. Sometimes I work harder than the other artists because him not giving no blind. I got to sing for him and write stuff and make him approve them. That's how I ended up on Rebel Salute.
Daviana plans to show both sides at this year's staging of Rebel Salute and intends to give patrons a first listen to what is to come from her upcoming EP. Rebel Salute takes place this Friday and Saturday. On the international scene, American rapper Travis Scott has been confirmed as one of the acts to take the stage alongside Maroon 5 and Big Boy at the Super Bowl Pepsi halftime show. Amid backlash for his decision to perform, Travis Scott revealed the stipulation he made before signing on as a headliner on game day. The 26-year-old rapper agreed to perform at the event on one condition, that is, if the NFL would join him in donating to a charitable cause. In partnership with the league, Scott will make a $500,000 contribution to Dream Corps, a non-profit organization that champions social injustice. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.